Huh.
To keep going.
I guess we are going to the beach.
Oh, there's a little creek here.
Huh.
There's all this driftwood in the little valley.
Well, we found the beach.
Oh, yes, we did. I guess you're first to go to the beach. Or you missed the turnoff.
Oh, did I miss the turnoff?
No, I didn't. Oh, I don't think so. Huh.
Hmm.
Oh, there's a little creek. Tide right here with the green slime right next to us. Oh, look at this. Look at it coming in right now. I think you're about to get your tires wet, honey. Oh. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a sneaker wave. Look at that. Oh, man. Holy crap. That's what gets people in trouble right there. Oh, wow. That really came in. Look at how far it went over there.
Oh my god,
if we'd been crossing.
Oh,
we're still gonna get wet. Holy crap.
We better get the hell out.
Oh, I think we need to get the hell out of here. Oh my gosh. There's like driftwood coming in. Holy crap. Oh, wow. Okay. That was super scary. Holy cow. Look at it coming in right now. I think you're about to get your tires wet, honey.
Yeah, I don't want that.
No. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a sneaker wave. Look at that. Oh, man. Holy
That's
crap.
what gets people in trouble.
That's what gets people in trouble right there. Oh, wow. That really came in. Look at how far it went over there.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, if we'd been crossing.
I was just thinking of going across there.
Holy crap, we're still gonna get wet. Holy crap.
I think we better get the hell out of here.
Oh, I think we need to get the hell out of here. Oh my gosh. You have like driftwood coming in. Holy crap. Oh, wow.
Huh.
Okay. That was super scary. Holy cow. Wow.
Yeah.
If we'd been crossing, that would have been so bad. I mean,
that would have been.
We probably wouldn't have died,
bad.
but that would have been very bad. Look how much water is still coming down. Holy crap. Oh. Scary. Oh my gosh.
Good thing I backed up. Now I gotta turn around though.
Yeah, because if you hadn't backed up, we would have had a lot of water. A lot of salt water too, not even just water. So, all right. Well, usually sneaker waves don't come one after the other, so that's the good part.
Oh, let's get the hell out of here.
Let's get the hell out of here. Dang, that was scary. That water's still, well, I know it's like a creek there, but there's still a ton of water coming out of there. Wow, that just completely obliterated those tracks that were there, so that had not happened previously. All right, good driving. Good backing up, honey.
That was a very, very big wave.
That's crazy. That is crazy.
That's what gets people in trouble.
No kidding. Oh my gosh.
We weren't paying attention. If we had parked there,
yep.
gone, oh, let's just park here.
And then like walked away or not, yeah. Or not been watching the water, yeah. Oof.
That gets the heart going there.
That was nuts. Wow.
Did it come up to the tire?
Oh yeah.
You had water?
You had driftwood knocking into the tire on this side.
Yeah, you don't. If you get too much, it'll actually undertow that.
I would say it wasn't more than a couple inches, so it wasn't a lot. But if you hadn't backed up, we would have been in 2 feet of water.
Well, no, where we were, it wasn't bad there.
I think it was that deep. Okay, well, I don't know. It came up pretty high, but then it just did such weird things when it came up into that creek.
Yeah, that was a big wave.
That was a big wave. Holy cow. Oof. My heart's beating a little fast.